All right, we just saw like, I don't know, hundreds of elk? Hundreds. And we were here, we finally made it to the sign.
Can't see the Tetons, but there's the sign.
It is a cool 10 degrees today, and there is just like a overcasty haze all over. But welcome to the Tetons. Time to get rolling. There's our sweet ride. So the road is closed about 3 miles ahead because of all the snowfall. So we're hoping to get something done today, but we'll explore what we can. That was our Bose speaker running the audio here in the car, giving us a gypsy tour. And we'll see what we see today. And then we'll come back tomorrow and hopefully do a hike around, I'm assuming what will be a frozen Jenny Lake. So we stopped here at the Snake River Overlook. We're on our way back towards the city of Jackson. A lot of cloud cover today. Tried to see some animals, spotted a moose. But just the beginning of our long weekend adventure. It's cold.
Very cold.
Oh. Don't catch him on camera. Day 2, Grand Tetons.
Here we go.
Negative
-4 degrees outside.
But it is sunny.
It's sunny and clear, so we're gonna see the Tetons, hopefully.
He's ready. Ready to go bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? Let's go!
I wore this jacket so my father-in-law could spot me on the GPS.
Here we go. Day 2, it's finally clear. Beautiful, beautiful mountains. Can't wait to get over there and do some hiking. And I can spot Kari everywhere because dang, she's in yellow. What's the name of the lake, Kari?
Taggart Lake.
Taggart?
Taggart. T-A-G-G-A-R-T.
Taggart.
1.6 to the lake. I looked this time.
1.6 miles to Taggart Lake. T-A-G-G-A-R-T. That's her cheerleading background. She's a spelling champion. Got our snowshoes ready. Finally, no clouds over the Tetons. Only downside, unfortunately, we found out it's not dog friendly, so little Spencer had to stay in the car. However, he's got a fleece lined sweater. He's got a whole blanket. What else he got?
He's got a little heat pack.
He's got his heat pack. He's got it
a
all.
blanket that when you lay on it, it heats up.
And I think it's getting hot in the truck.
Park directly in the sunlight.
So, get ready for an adventure. Despite having lived in so many cold places, we're still learning how to layer for hikes.
I think my hair is frosting over.
It is, huh? What do you have on for warmth?
I'm sweating.
Start with the boots.
These are my 1,000-gram boots.
1,000-gram Irish setters.
some smart wool, 100% wool leggings
100% wool, smart wool leggings.
with some fleece overliners,
Fleece overliners, and then
lined hiking pants.
line height. So 3 layers of pants.
The bottom base layers are very thin, but they're warm.
What about jackets?
I have on a long sleeve smart wool shirt with a fleece zip up, and then my
Columbia
Columbia down jacket,
toasty.
and then my neck cover. I'm sweating. I'm hot. And it's like, what, 5 degrees?
I think it's like up to 9 now.
We're already stripping down. We have to take our fleece and our outer jackets off.
Hold off the layers.
Repacking our bag.
Kari's capturing every moment with the camera. Luckily, with the bright yellow, I haven't lost her yet. I did close my eyes once, but I still saw her. The Tetons.
We made it. Frozen Lake.
I hope so. We got our snowshoes on now. There's a little bit of a trail we could walk down, but we like breaking new ground too.
Grand Tetons, Taggart Lake.
We're on the lake right now. It's nice and frozen. Like I said, just put our snowshoes on. There's a little bit of a trail we're gonna hop on, but it's getting just a little chilly again because the sun's dipping behind some clouds. Well, we snowshoed for about, I don't know, 3 minutes, and then we decided to nix it. We didn't want to do the couple miles back to the car because we wanted to check on Spencer. It's getting a little cloudy and we're worried he's getting cold, so we're walking back on the main trail, and we got a few more adventures for the day.
Boo Boo was nice and toasty in the car. It is warm in there. His body is hot. He's at the Grand Tetons. Spencer, where are you? The Tetons! Yay! We're about to stop and have lunch, and these are our lunch views today.
Want some food?
Not a bad view. What you got there, Tyler?
Homemade salmon?
Gluten-free?
100%.
Take a big bite.
No.
Delish. Tyler and I, one, we don't like to spend money, so we bring all of our food with us. My tuna sandwich. But two, Tyler has celiac, so we're very limited on what we can do. Cantaloupe. Sandwich. Spencer.
All right, we made it back. Snake River Lookout.
I thought it was fake.
He's gonna attack Spencer. Spencer, over here! All right, we're back at the Snake River Lookout. It was seriously so covered yesterday. You couldn't see a single thing. And this time, here's what we got. I was looking for the sun. And I thought I saw it, but it was just you walking away. There you go, let's go. Let's go catch her. Well, everyone, thanks for following along on another one of our adventures. We had a great time with the Tetons. As you can see, we are running back. We're gonna get some food in Jackson. We're gonna get some rest, and I think we have another adventure planned for tomorrow.
I have a surprise plan for Tyler. We're heading to Heart 6 Dude Ranch in Teton County. We're going to go dog sledding. We're gonna check out a horse sleigh ride, and we're gonna go snowmobiling across the Continental Divide.
Stay tuned and check it out on our next episode.